In our previous examples, when we had our slope m is equal to 6/5, we had a positive slope on that line. And when the m was a negative 1/3, we had a negative slope. Now let's see what happens when we have a vertical line and a horizontal line. Now our ordered pairs are -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and -2. That's our ordered pair. For this dot, we have -1, -2. So -1, -2. We could make this our first point. So this is x1, y1, and x2, y2. Now all we have to do is put in our values into the formula, which says m equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So we're going to now fill in our formula. So m is equal to y2, that would be -2, negative, subtract, y1 is -2 as well. So we're going to put that into parentheses just so you separate it out from, this is the negative sign that's already in the formula. And it was a negative value here. So I'll just put it in parentheses so we don't get confused on that. And that's going to be x2, which is a -6. And the formula has a subtraction sign in it. And then our value here is a -1. I'll put that in parentheses. Now we're going to have to follow our rules for positive and negative. We've got -2, -2, two negative signs makes a positive. -6, again, we have sign number, that is a +1, which makes it a 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 plus 1, -6 plus 1 is -5. So here we have 0 divided by a -5, which comes out 0. So we have our slope is 0. So m is equal to 0. Your line is flat. You're hoping that the road is flat and that you don't have too many hills and valleys. This is easier to walk on. It's easier to ride a bike on. When you have a line that has no slope to it, that's flat, your formula changes to just this. Y equals, in this case, y is -2. That's all you need for showing a flat or zero slope line.